Hey YouTube, it's Zion Prepper here, and I'm going to share with you a very interesting article on what scientists are doing. Now, I am a chemist and I've done research not like this, but I like to share it with you, and it's entitled Deadly Man-Made Strain of H5N1 Bird Flu Virus Raises Controversy. And I'll put the link in down below so you can take a look at it. And basically what scientists have done is they've taken the H5N1 bird flu virus and they made different variations of it by modifying the genetics of the virus. And what they have done basically is create a very prolific and strong virus that could affect numerous people in a short period of time. But what is interesting is the effects could be much more pronounced. The onset could be quicker and the effects could last longer. So all that becomes very interesting. And as a scientist, I know what they're saying is that we created this H5N1 variant virus because we want to better understand the bird flu viruses. So we have to create them, we have to modify them, we have to see what strains will affect people, how quick they will replicate, how quick they will infect people, and that helps us to better make a vaccine for this virus. And the interesting part about this whole thing was it was an international effort. You got people from the Netherlands, Japan, the Center for Disease Control, Center for Disease Control, working on this all at the same time. Obviously, the concern comes, they're working on these viruses in probably a class, I don't know, 10,000, 100,000 clean room. I don't know what they use. So it's self-contained in that clean room. They're fully garbed in air protectant suits, as you can see by the picture. But at the end of the day, by us creating these viruses, it is simple enough for Mother Nature to adapt and overcome and actually get outside of that lab. And if this bird flu virus did get out, it could have severe repercussions around the world. And as a prepper, you think about it, or maybe you don't. There are people out there doing this, and yes, it is their job. Yes, they need to understand viruses. Yes, they need to be able to change them, modify them, and find a good vaccine for them. But they can get out, and it's just interesting. So I thought I'd share it with you. But this is why we prep. Something like the H5N1 variant virus got out, you would have to shelter in place for an extended period of time until the incubation period of this virus was over, which could be weeks, and maybe depending on how rampant it was, it could be months. So I'm going to put the link down there. Please take a look at this article. It is very interesting and it gives you an idea of what our scientists are doing these days. So, Zion Prepper signing out and saying thanks for watching.